Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to do my presentations. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Zainudin. My name 33120010055. I'm majoring in informatic engineering 3B regular. I'm in third semester. My topic is the Batam State Polytechnic Education and Administration System. So what is the Batam State Polytechnic Education and Administration System? This application is a website that provides service to aid, update, and print report for the purpose of lecture majoring in business management and business management administration. Meanwhile, in the secretary of the department, the head of study program, the head of department are only given access for the purpose of reporting the data that has been input into the system. So what kind of data that can include? The data that can include the first, personal data. In this data, we provide profile data, education data, training data, and certification data. Secondly, we have teaching data. In this data, we provide lectures data, teaching material, thesis guidance, or TA data. And we also have service data. In this data, we only have one data provide, that is service activities. And the first, we have research data. In this data, we have journal publication data and proceeding data. And then lastly, we have supporting data. In this data, we provide committee data and member of our personal organizations data. In this application, we have functional requirement. The first is we can input personal data, teaching data, service data, research data, and supporting data by each lecture. Not only we can input data, we also can update data. So we can update in personal data, teaching data, service data, research data, and supporting data by each lecture. And the third, we store data locally. And fourth, accessing lecture data, reports by the secretary, head of study program, schedule, TU, and the lectures. And lastly, we met validating lecture data by the head of study program. Not only functional requirement, we also have non-functional requirement in this application. So the first, the system is met based on website. We build this application use Laravel Series 8 framework, and we also have Bootstrap framework for the front end. For the language programming, we use PHP and Visual Studio Code and R Sublime to write the code. The system uses blockchain technology, and the third, having high data security. And fourth, the system has a user interface that is easy for users to understand. We, as the development, try to build an interface so friendly or easy to use for the user. So we choose Bootstrap framework to build a front end. The data system can be accessed 24 hours, so there's no limit. You can use this application one day. And the sixth, can be connected with any device. You can use your mobile phone or your PC and laptop to access this application. And seventh is of imputing and updating data. And the eighth is of printing a report. And then lastly, the system sufficient storage. Now you can see the system where overview to run these applications. You can see we have two actors, admin and visitor, who will use these applications. Admin and visitor use device and must be connected to the network in order to access the system. So you have, so when will you access the system, you must have connects into the network. Lecture admin and data business can aid updating lecture data and print report, while Kajur, secretary, and head of study program can only print report in the system. So we made the limit for the each lecture in this application. The data that has been added and will be updated stored in database. In this application, we use MySQL database to store all the data that has a. So that's all my presentations. If you have any question, you can comment below, and thank you.